Are you tired of the default look of Ubuntu and want to give it a fresh, modern, and personalized makeover? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to transform your Ubuntu desktop into a stunning, highly functional environment that matches your unique style. We'll start by exploring GTK and shell themes. These control the overall look and feel of your system. We'll show you where to find beautiful themes like Adwaita, Yaru, or third-party options like Nordic and Dracula, and walk you through how to install and switch between them with Gnome tweaks. Next, we'll dive into icon packs, because what's a stylish theme without matching icons? From Papyrus to Tela and Numix, we'll help you find and install icon sets that complete your desktop's aesthetic. Then comes the real power, Gnome extensions. These tiny tools add huge functionality, from custom taskbars to weather widgets to workflow boosters like Dash to Dock and Blur My Shell. We'll guide you on how to safely install Gnome extensions, use the Extensions app to manage them, and troubleshoot common issues. We'll also cover terminal commands for those who prefer full control, and we'll show you how to use the command line to install themes, icons, and extensions quickly and efficiently. Whether you want a sleek productivity setup, a gaming vibe, or a macOS-style interface, this video has everything you need to get started with Ubuntu customization. By the end, your desktop won't just be powerful, it'll reflect your personality. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more Linux tips and guides. For a full step-by-step tutorial with links and screenshots, visit the blog post. Link in the description.